I have to get asked this question, right? You Christians, you believe in something I can't see. You believe that God exists. Okay, that's kind of a preposterous claim, they would say. So if you're going to make that kind of crazy claim about a supernatural being that I don't see here with us today, well, then that burden of proof is on you to demonstrate why you think that invisible thing you're talking about actually exists. Well, okay, that can sometimes be a conversation stopper, right? Because it puts this entire evidential burden on us. We find ourselves in the next 30 minutes trying to make an evidential case for something, when in fact we both have a burden of proof. Let me tell you what I mean by that. Anytime you walk into a crime scene, you're going to see pieces of evidence in the crime scene. I've been in crime scenes with my partners, for example, where I will go in that crime scene and say, wow, given what I see here, I think the best suspect for this is the husband. Well, my partner could stand next to me and say, I disagree. I'm looking at the same pieces of evidence you are, but I think the best explanation is his daughter. Okay. Well, both of us have a burden of proof now. I've got to make a case for why I think the husband did it, and my partner's got to make a case for why he thinks the daughter did it. Something very similar happens when we're trying to describe the universe the way it is. We see the same features of the universe. We see that it has a beginning, that it appears fine-tuned, that life comes into existence from non-life, that the life that does emerge appears to be designed, that there are conscious beings in the universe who seem to be free agents who can make free decisions. We sense these moral obligations in this universe that appear to be objective and transcendent. And we even think there are things that are truly evil. Yet we need to have a standard of good by which we could judge something that's truly evil. These are the features of the universe that both of us have to explain. Both of us have to explain those. Now, as a theist, I need to be able to make a case for why I think God is the best explanation for all that stuff. But if you're not a theist, if you're an atheist, you have a burden of proof of showing me how your cause best, your suspect best explains this stuff. You think you can get that with just space, time, matter, physics, and chemistry? That burden's on you. I have a burden, and you have a burden. We both have a burden to support what we believe at the crime scene. Don't let someone try to get you off the hook or get him off the hook by saying that there's no burden on that side. You're the only one who has a burden. No, we both have a burden, as it should be, because these are big claims about reality that have big consequences. Embrace your duty to make the case and help other people to see that they have an equal duty.